going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my car, 2011 E92 M3. I'm DeVriesy, and today I wanted to show you guys a little bit of a behind the scenes on how I made a reel that I posted to my Instagram. If you don't know, my Instagram is DeVriesy. A lot of people were wondering what camera I used, what settings I used to record the video, and how it was mounted to my car. So before we talk about what camera settings, what camera, and how I mounted it, I'll show you the video. It's actually a different version of the video just to fit YouTube a little bit better, but it's the same exact concept. Okay, now that you've seen the video, I'm gonna show you guys what I used to film it, how I mounted it, and all that good stuff. So obviously I used a GoPro. This is a GoPro Hero 8. I prefer this over the newer GoPros. I don't know why, I just like how the video comes out with this. Next, I used a suction cup on the window, and then connected to that I had a metal GoPro extension arm. I don't remember how long this one was, but I got it on Amazon. You can find them pretty easily. And then attached to the extension arm, I had a little 360 ball head mount. That way I can rotate the camera vertically for Instagram. And these are just the supporting mounts that I had to use with the ball mount. And the settings I used on the GoPro, I'll put them up on the screen right here. I used the night lapse mode. I used the linear lens, 4K resolution, automatic interval. Format is video, shutter is 2 seconds long, and white balance, you kind of just set that what your lighting conditions call for. Sharpness medium, color, GoPro, and max ISO 400 to reduce the noise. And that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so now we are inside the car completely. Nice roll cage, that's pretty cool. This is how I had the GoPro set up for the time lapse of the exact reel that I had on my Instagram. As you can see, I have the suction cup, GoPro extension arm, the custom ball mount that I pieced together, and then the GoPro. One more time, I'll put the settings on the screen right here. It was automatic interval, shutter open for 2 seconds, GoPro color, white balance for whatever your lighting conditions call for, and that's about it, honestly. I just push record and then I drove for 20 minutes. No editing required. I just downloaded the video onto the GoPro app on my phone and I posted it. Found a cool song to put behind it, and that was honestly it. It's pretty simple. So that's how I shot my time-lapse point of view driving video. It was a really cool idea. I enjoyed making it. It was fun setting up the mount to mount the camera from my point of view. Let me know what else you guys want to see, what other behind the scenes things you want to see from my perspective on how I create content for Instagram and other social medias. And yeah, let me know.